So I'm Chance Cosby with the Thunderbirds, the host of the Waste Management Phoenix Open, and excited today to be joined by the Executive Director of the Human Services Campus. And I've had the honor of meeting Amy and listen to her speak and the passion that she speaks with about her organization. And so, Amy, thank you for taking the time to join us. And I'd love for you to just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do at the Human Services Campus.
Great. Well, thank you for the invitation. I have been in my role at the Human Services Campus now almost 2 years as Executive Director. It's such an interesting, unique place with our partnership of about 16 organizations, governmental and nonprofit. And the goal being over time, we don't have the large numbers of people being unsheltered and experiencing homelessness, and that we look at housing more as healthcare. And so how do we ensure that every Arizonan has access to healthcare and housing?
So Amy, we're early April and we're starting to get into the heart of this crisis, and you have a big community that you serve. Take us from start to finish on how you can serve that person.
One of the benefits of this Human Services Campus is having a healthcare provider on it, and that's operated by Circle the City. We've really leaned on them for their medical leadership and their guidance on how to temporarily repurpose our operations to ensure the health and safety of as many people as possible. For those who are symptomatic, then Circle the City is making the determination whether or not to test that. And we are creating isolation spaces for people who do end up getting tested, because people do have to quarantine for 7 to 14 days if they're tested while they're waiting for results. And Circle the City then really takes over that part of the population through that process. In order to create more distance between shelter beds, the number of people going into the shelter every night has gone down. And again, we want to do that. So we quickly looked at our day room in the Lodestar Day Resource Center and got cot mats and blankets and have 47 more vulnerable individuals now in that space. So from a staffing perspective, we're all looking at who's doing what. Their jobs are changing temporarily. We're doing things 24/7 now that we weren't doing 24/7, and we're really relying on each other more as partners. One of the silver linings in it is that the purpose of the campus was to have collaboration, working together to end homelessness, and now we have to do that. We don't have any other choice.
Those that want to give, what is the primary need for you now?
And so the financial support really allows us to be flexible and adapt. The supplies, just like probably every nonprofit in this sector is saying, are things like hand soap and hand sanitizer. We need masks for employees and for clients, gloves, and I think those things will be big needs for a long time to come.
If you're looking for ways to give to the community, this is a wonderful organization, and they do great work, and it's a significant need in Phoenix right now. Amy, thank you for all the work that you're doing for us and for the homeless community, and thank you for your time today.
Well, thank you, Chance, and everyone affiliated with the Thunderbirds. We appreciate you more than you will ever know.